Thank you for your purchase of Raptor 3-in-1 Tricycle. This beautiful tricycle comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, wide rear wheelbase and foldable canopy. This tricycle can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, take the main body place and place the seat to the main body. You can fix it with the help of butterfly nuts. Now insert front wheel complete to main body. It's time to place handle to the fork. Fix handle to the fork with the help push buttons. Now fix handle cap with the help of provided flower nut. It's time to place foot rest to the main body. Lock it with provided nuts. In the next step, place hand rest to main body. Fix it with provided lock buttons. Now place umbrella to main body. Lock it with the help of provided locks. In the next step, insert flute pipe to main body to assemble parental handle. Fix it with provided screw and lock buttons. Now place movement rod to both front and back side. Lock it with provided nuts. Fix movement rod to front and back with the help of provided nuts. It's time to place parental hand to flute pipe and fix it with lock buttons. In the next step, place rear wheels to main body on both sides. It gets locked automatically by pushing it to axle. Place her rear wheel caps to give it a finishing touch. Now place parental handle to pipe with provide nuts. Your beautiful Raptor 3-in-1 is now ready to use. Toys. Ride, Kids Pride.